I'm Andrew Colton. With more than 100 clients nationwide, I'm the premier litigation communication expert in North America. An award-winning former on-air national network news correspondent, my settlement documentaries have helped induce more than $1 billion by presenting personal stories with major impact. But if you're watching this video, you may be interested in my witness preparation training and how I can help. To be clear, I'm not a psychologist, I'm not a jury consultant, I'm not an actor. But as an on-air network news correspondent who only works with attorneys, I know all about presentation, how to appear calm in front of an audience, how to clearly and concisely say what needs to be said. I do not coach clients to lie. My expertise is helping clients tell their stories and answer questions calmly and coherently in deposition, mediation, or trial environments. Simply put, I train witnesses to tune out the noise, believe in themselves, and appear strong, truthful, and compelling. To confidentially discuss your case and how I can help your client, call me at 1-877-484-4611 or visit coltonlegalmedia.com.